Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy K Dash, and this will be a tutorial on how to do the IG frames, but the new long Instagram view, not the square Instagram view. I believe it's the 4x5. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna grab my video and the two pictures that I'm gonna use. So if you didn't grab some pictures at the video shoot, you can always just do pictures inside of Premiere Pro. Pretty much just screenshots. But anyway, um, I'm gonna pick what part of the video I'm gonna use.
Flying down on the southwest, I'm an 80s baby, yeah, real nigga.
So I only want to use about 20 or 30 seconds of the footage.
Flying down on the south.
15, 20 seconds, 22 seconds, that's cool. Alright, now just change my view right quick. Now, this isn't the proper frame size, so you're going to go to sequence, and this is going to be, well, let me change this to custom, 1080 by 1350. Now, you're going to click on scale to frame size, and now you have your border at the top and the bottom for your pictures. So we're going to go back over to assembly, and on the top I'm going to put this picture right here. So I'm going to do the same scale to frame, and I'm going to move the position of it up, and I'm going to go over to crop in the effects panel, and I'm just going to crop the bottom. Me, I always like to leave like a little black border in between the video and the photo. I don't like it where it just meets. And then you're gonna pull this for the full video. So we're gonna do the same thing. Go over to assembly, grab the other picture, go back to my view. We're going to scale this to frame. Go to motion, and we're going to drag this down about right there. We don't even have to crop that one because you can't even see it anymore. So now we're going to go ahead and go into title. New title, default. This can be whatever. And we're going to say a real good website to go and get free fonts is dafont.com. DAFONT.com. Just download whatever looks fly to you. We're just gonna use this for the purpose of the tutorial. Where do I want to put it though? Just leave it right here. No, I'm gonna put it down here. And that's it. Go to assembly, drag this on top. That's it.
Flying down on the southwest, I'm a 80s baby, yeah, real nigga. It was Polo.